This is CAT S75 and today I will show how you can check your data usage on this device. To start, you will need to launch settings, then enter the network and internet category that you'll find at the very top. Then if you would like to see your Wi-Fi or non-operator data usage, go for the Wi-Fi section over here. Onwards, scroll the list of available Wi-Fi networks all the way down and go for the Wi-Fi data usage. On the other hand, if you would like to see your cellular data usage, get back to the network and internet page, go for mobile network, select the SIM card you would like to check your data usage for, and over here tap at the app data usage. Alrighty, so that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.